Capturing precious moments on your Android phone is second nature, but transferring those photos to your computer for backup or sharing is just as important. In this video, we'll explore 9 easy ways to transfer photos from Android to your computer. Let's dive in. Way 1. How to transfer photos from Android to computer conveniently. For a quick and easy way to transfer photos from Android to PC, Mobikin Assistant for Android is a great choice. It lets you preview and sync all or selected images with just a few clicks, plus manage media files on your computer. Step 1. Install the program on your computer and launch it. Connect your Android phone to the computer using a USB cable. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow the utility to recognize your smartphone. Step 2. Select on the program's interface. Navigate to the left panel and click Photos. Then choose either Camera or Library. This will display all Android images in the right column. You can now preview and select the desired pics for transfer. Step 3. Transfer. Once you have made your selection, click on Export in the top menu to instantly transfer the chosen photos from your Android phone to your computer. Way 2. How to transfer pictures from Android to PC via Quick Share for Windows. Turn on Quick Share in Settings. Open Quick Share on your PC and sign in. Select Photos. Tap Share Quick Share. Choose your PC and accept the transfer. Photos save in Downloads. Way 3. How to transfer photos from Android to computer using USB only. Connect your phone in MeTP mode. Open File Explorer and select your device. Go to DSIM, Camera. Copy and paste photos to your PC. Way 4. How to download photos from Android to computer via Windows Photos. Ensure Windows 10 11 Plus. Open Photos app. Connect phone. Click Import from device. Select phone. Grant access. Optional change folder. Select all items. Click Import. Way 5. How to get photos from Android to computer using Google Photos. Enable Backup and Sync in Photos app. Check storage. Adjust upload size. Sign into Google Photos on PC. Select Photos. Click 3 dots Download. Way 6. How to transfer photos from Android to computer Windows 10 11 via OneDrive. Open OneDrive app. Log in. Tap Photos, Camera Upload, turn on. On your PC, open OneDrive folder to view synced photos. Way 7. How to transfer images from Android to computer via Phone Link. Install Microsoft Phone Link to Windows on PC and Android. Connect your device via USB. Open Phone Link on PC. Select Photos. Choose Import Photos from Phone. Select Photos and click Import. Way 8. How to transfer photos from Android to computer via Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on phone and PC. Pair devices using the security code. Select Send Receive Files via Bluetooth on PC. Grant permission on phone. Share file via Bluetooth and click Finish. Way 9. How to transfer photos from Android to computer over Gmail. Open Gmail. Tap Compose. Attach photos and send to your email. On your PC, log into Gmail and download the attachments.